Hi, my name is Randolph with Fusion Ionz, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Fusion foot cure pads. For use throughout the day, place one pad at the heel of your shoe. It may slide around a little bit, but your foot will keep it in the shoe from falling out. For a more secure hold, you can use the double-sided tape that we include with every pair. Peel one side off to reveal the glue, place the pad on that exposed glue side, then peel the other side to expose the other glued side. Then go ahead and place that in your shoe and press down on it firmly. If you're going to be switching the pads between different pairs of shoes, we do not recommend using the tape. You can also use the foot pads in your sleep by putting them in your socks. As long as the pads are within 1 inch of your skin, you will get the full benefits. Thank you for watching, and thanks for being a Fusion Ionz customer.
Hi! Fusion Ionz has been a world leader in circulation boosting medical devices since 2011. Now, we need your help. We are in the process of creating new cutting edge products, and we need your open and honest opinion. You get free product, and we get your feedback. It's as simple as that. Interested? If so, go to free.fusionionz.com and register to be a product tester. Spots are very limited. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being a Fusion Ionz customer.